Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am back with another smart gadget. So today we have smart MI bulb. Using this bulb you can set your light according to your need. You can set any color and adjust the brightness according to your need. And many other features are available in this smart MI bulb. So first let's unbox this and I will show you the features which are available in this smart bulb. So let's unbox this first. Woohoo! So here is our beautiful MI bulb. So let's open this. And we will connect. Here you can see the MI smart LED bulb. So this is the box of smart MI bulb. You can control this with Alexa in Google Assistant, and there are many colors are available in this bulb. This is 9-watt bulb and support 220 to 240 volts. You can see the specifications, and here are the features of this MI smart bulb. We need Wi-Fi connection for this. We can control with voice control, adjust the brightness, adjust the color, schedule, smart app control. Using the app we can control this. So let's open the box. There you can see. Wow. So really little and very beautiful MI bulb. Here you can see. Now let's connect into the holder, and then we will connect into the application. So let's connect. So let's connect our MI bulb into the holder first, like this way. Now turn on the bulb. Here you can see it is currently white. So first we have to download this application, Xiaomi Home. I have already installed. First you have to install this, and after the installation you have to create the profile. After the profile, in this screen now we have to add device. So for the device, click on plus icon, add a device. Now scroll down and click on light bulbs. Here you can see. Now click on Ye light color bulb. So here we have to reset the device first. So it says turn on and turn off this bulb for the 5 times. So now click on device reset. Now let me turn on and turn off this bulb for the 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is on connection mode. Now our application is scanning the device. It takes some time. So it says no nearby device was scanned. So let me connect once again. Scanning the device. If it does not connect, then we will try it manually. There is another way also. So currently it is scanning. Scanning. So it said no nearby device. Okay, so connect manually now. Now it says connect your phone to this Wi-Fi and return to Xiaomi app. Okay, set Wi-Fi. Now let me find. Here you can see the Wi-Fi device of this bulb, G light. So let's connect. So I have connected. to this application. Now again it is scanning. Now here is the one device which is found nearby. Here you can see MI LED bulb. Now let me connect my Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Enter your Wi-Fi password. And click on next. Now it is updating, connecting to the device. Now it takes some few seconds to connect, so we have to wait. Connected successfully. Now click on done. Set the room. Currently it is my living room. Next, next, and next. Invite your family. Don't not share for now. You can do this for the next time. Agree the terms and condition. Now here you can see. Now this is the home page. In this screen you can change the color, white color, and increase the temperature of the color just like this. Now to increase or decrease the brightness, we have to up and down just like this and just like this. For on the white is on the white. Now I have selected the white. Now to decrease the white color, here you can see. Now let's come on the colors. So now select color. Here you can see there are too many colors which are available here. Just like for the red, this is the minimum brightness. Now to increase the brightness, here you can see we have increased the brightness. Now to change the color, just move. Here you can see you can set any color, whatever you want. Is it good? I really like that. If you really like this MI bulb, you can tell me in the comments. Now I like blue color. Here's the blue color and adjust the brightness. You can use this as a night lamp also. Now there's another function of flow. You can set multiple color, then this will be the MI bulb will be flow like that. And you can set any color as a favorite, just like this is my favorite color. Now just click on this, add favorite. Now give any name, my blue favorite. Now it is saved on favorite list. Here you can see whenever I click on this color will be applied. For example, currently I am on the white color. Now instantly I want blue color which I saved. Just click on apply. Here you can see. Now see some other functions. Now there are some functions just like turn off delay, schedule. Now in this section you can set these options just like schedule period, repeat, schedule on time and schedule off time. Now for the on time, for example, if you set any night time, so it should be off, on the morning time it should be on, according to your need, whatever you want. For the default state, that which color you want whenever you turn on this bulb. So there are some functions, some options which are available here. Device name, create light group, for the flow, manage location, share, auto mention. Now here the interesting function of smart MI bulb. So let's click on auto mention plus create a scene. Now just like I have to give condition, like if this condition applies then this happened. So let's come on if time. Now I am selecting time after 1 minute. Click on OK. Now when this time happened, what happened? Now select my device. I want to turn off this. There are many functionalities available, but at this time I want to turn off. Turn off, and the time has already happened. Now let's hit it. Now set okay. Okay. Now after 1 minute this device will be turned off. So now let's for the 1 minute till you can subscribe our channel for more videos like this. You can also comment. Here you can see the smart MI bulb is turned off because our condition is applied. So it is really very interesting. There are many other functions also available in automation. You can see just like then. Now the condition applies. Now what happened? Just like bright up, bright down, switch brightness level, color temperature. There are many functions you can use whenever you want. Also logs are available, and there are some other functions you can see here. Now these are tabs for the scene. We have already created scene. On the profile, here's my profile. Now let's use the voice services. So first click on voice service. I'm using Android, so I will choose Google Assistant. Now we have to follow these steps because we have to link in my device application into Google Assistant. So here are these steps. First we have to open Google Assistant, go to setting, then search for home control, then select MI home, then link the application. So I have already installed Google Assistant application. Open Google Assistant setting.
Opening Assistant.
Okay. Now go to home control. Now you can see I have already linked MI home. If you have not linked it, you have to link first. So it is ready for the voice services. So let's try to use. Turn on smart LED bulb. Here you can see.
Sure.
Now let's change the color.
LED bulb essential.
Set red color LED bulb.
Okay.
It is already
Changing
red.
Smart LED.
Set blue color LED bulb. Here you can see.
Alright. Changing MI Smart.
Turn off bulb. Here you can see.
Turning off MI Smart LED bulb
So in
essential.
this way you can use voice assistant also. Hope you like the video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.